of animagraphs. And this is how a fire engine works. There are many possible model variations for different needs, so I've chosen to focus on a fairly standard pumper truck, designed to transport crew, tools, water, and pumping capabilities to the scene of an incident. First, let's have a look around the exterior. Warning lights, designed to alert drivers for safe fire truck passage, can be changed to steady beams for proper scene illumination when arriving at a destination. The pump on this truck is located midship, though front or rear mount pumps are also possible. Ample rear storage compartments turn this rig into a mobile tool shed. There are folding steps on the back for roof access, where the hose bed, ladders, and more tools reside. Coming around to the front, there's an electronic speaker for various warning sounds, a pre-connected hose for quick access when responding to smaller incidents like trash or car fires. There are loud air horns that can sound as needed by the driver, and a federal Q siren, which is a mechanical device that produces the classic familiar wailing sound. Now, let's go into more detail, starting with the pump. Some pumps have manual controls for every task, especially older pump models. The intake pressure gauge is a compound gauge, meaning it can show values below atmospheric pressure, or vacuum conditions, when sucking water up from a pool or mobile tank, or positive pressure when connected to a pressurized source, like a fire hydrant. Since the truck's engine also drives the pump, engine temperature, RPMs, fuel, and oil pressure are monitored. There's a manual engine throttle knob to control engine speed. A master pressure gauge shows how much pressure the pump is producing combined with existing pressure from any incoming water supply. Various smaller pressure gauges keep track of the many outlets located around the truck, with their corresponding pull handles or levers to open or close specific outlets. There are knobs to divert some water for engine and pump cooling, as well as pump primer controls. The tank filler knob allows incoming water to enter the built-in tank. There's an air chuck connected to an onboard air compressor. A nearby radio and speaker provides communication to the pump operator, since they may not be able to see the fire scene from this side of the truck. Supplying sufficient water pressure to any number of outlets from varying supply sources is a difficult job that requires constant monitoring. So, pumper trucks may have different levels of automation to aid the pump process. A digital panel can automatically monitor engine vitals while also altering engine speed to keep pump pressure constant. Electrically controlled valves can automatically adjust to keep pressure at desired levels for specific outputs. And some of the newest systems are highly automated, allowing a crew member to divert attention to other firefighting tasks. This particular pump is a centrally located